Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to look how to make a gravity pad. Now first of all, what is a gravity pad? Now gravity pad is a pad on which if a marble falls, the marble will start to go upwards. It can be used in marble races. So today we are going to look how to make it. Now first of all, let us create a new diffuse scene. Raise this ground. Turn on the grid. Now first of all, let us make a marble for reference. The radius is going to be 0.25 meters. It can be anything you want. I'll just use this. Now let us make a rectangle. Again, it's your choice which length and breadth you can use. It's based on your choice. Now first of all, right click this rectangle, go to geometry actions, glue it to the background. Now go to its script menu. There you will see something called on collide. Inside that you will see curly brackets. Now inside those curly brackets you have to enter a code called e dot other dot density equals 0.005. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, now what this code does is if anything hits this pad, the pad is going to change the other object's density into 0.005 kg per meter square. You won't see the units here, but it will be always the standard unit. You can see it right here, kg per meter square. It will always whatever value you will put, it will always be in kg per meter square. Now what will happen if we change density is going to float upwards. Now why the reason why we are not putting it as 0, it will destroy the object. So we are not keeping it as 0. Instead we are just keeping it close to 0. Now let us play the simulation and see what will happen. You can see that once this marble touches it, it goes upwards. You can see see with many other objects. Now to accelerate this objects upwards going velocity, you can just change this thing. If you increase the density, the speed at which this object is going to float is going to reduce. If you reduce this density, then the speed at which the object will go upwards is going to increase. For example, if I decrease this into 0.01 and let me see it. Okay, it's definitely going faster. Now this are now definitely going faster. But if I reduce this density like 0.01, then the object is going to go slowly. In fact, it's not even like it's just going to like stop here. Okay, now once the marble go upwards, you would want it to go down. Now what you will do is we can just copy paste this pad, put it upwards, go to its script menu. Now instead of putting e dot other dot density equals 0.01, we can just change it into the standard density. The standard density is 2 of these marbles that I always use. We can just see it. Now let us create a marble in between them. Okay, let us change this things the code 0.005. okay, now let us see. You can see it's going upwards and downwards. Every time it upwards, it goes down again. No, that's it. Now you can also now that's it. We have successfully learned how to make a gravity pad. Now before you go on to do other tutorials, make sure to put this into this components. Let us pause the simulation. Take these open this components file. Now we are going to put this marble, put these pads into these. make sure to like different name them so you can differentiate between uh, mar- the pad which makes marbles go upwards and the pads which make marbles to go downwards. We can also do it by changing the color also. You can just name it here. And that's it. Now we have successfully made a marble. Now what you can do is you can check out my other tutorial videos. You can also see how to see other things, and that's it. You can also subscribe to my other channel, algodoo channel, and that's it. Tata, bye bye.